Vanish from sight, understanding an English idiom. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, vanish from sight. This idiom might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it's actually used quite commonly in everyday English. We'll break it down together, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. Vanish from sight means to disappear or become invisible in a way that one can no longer be seen. It's often used to describe something or someone that was previously visible but has suddenly become impossible to see. This phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. Let's look at some examples. 1. Literal use: the magician made the rabbit vanish from sight. 2. Figurative use: after the scandal, the politicians seemed to vanish from sight in the public eye. The phrase, vanish from sight, has its roots in the literal meaning of the words. Vanish comes from the Latin word vanescere, meaning to disappear or fade away. Sight refers to the act of seeing with the eyes. Combined, these words create a vivid expression that's been used for centuries to describe disappearance. Now, let's practice using the phrase in different sentences. This will help you get comfortable with its usage in various contexts. 1. As soon as the police arrived, the crowd vanished from sight. 2. The stars vanished from sight as the clouds rolled in. 3. Feeling embarrassed, he wished he could just vanish from sight. Understanding similar phrases or synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are some phrases that have a similar meaning to vanish from sight. Disappear into thin air, go missing, fade away, drop out of sight. Great job! You've learned the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, vanish from sight. Now, you can confidently add this expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using it in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.